Let me tell you, I've been asked a couple of times over and over, let's get a video about Rivian, right? So, hey, I cannot disappoint. I have to bring it. But let me tell you, Mr. Wick, if you're coming for Rivian and this chart, you're going to need guns. You're going to need guns, all right? And you're going to need lots of guns to pull this off because we have a lot to talk about over here. We have a lot to talk about. Let's get into Rivian. This right here is brought to us by Tip Ranks. So for the last 3 months, we see Rivian's been doing something really nice. Okay, 22%. We can't lie, that has been going up. Okay, I'm going to talk about the technicals in this video and everything, but I said let me show you these numbers and everything so you can see this, right? So as I talk about, you have to take into account the deliveries. Okay, how are their deliveries looking? Are they going up or are they going down? Also take into account the full stack software that they have coming out. Take that into account. Take into account that they're doing a streaming service. Take into account about their competition, Mr. Wick. All right, it's a lot to take into account here. But we see that the analysts are saying moderate buy here, 21. Okay, so 21 altogether, 10 is saying buy, 10 is saying hold, 1 is saying sell. Hey, all right? So they seem like they're on your side, Mr. Wick. They seem like they're on your side. Let's look into the chart. Remember, Mr. Wick, I said there's competition. So and right now it's a little heavy, but let's look into the chart. This is Rivian on the weekly time frame. Okay, what I want to make sure I point out to you, Mr. Wick, is that right here. Okay. This and this. Okay, now look, it came down from here, bounced. Came here, bounced. What does that look like? That looks like this. Double bottom pattern. Yes, it does. Brought to us by Investopedia. Okay, as you can see right here, right? And you see when we have a double bottom, you see where we start at? We go down, boom, boom. But you see where we end at? All right, so that's something to know. And double bottom patterns, read here. Okay, you're going to need a lot of guns to pull this off. Okay, at the same time, the pattern has a high winning rate. Okay, above 70% chance that the price will reach its objective. Okay, now, but also come down here, brought to us by this person here. Come down here. The pattern fails at times, so it's important to have risk management strategies in place. Pretend that was a straight, nice line. Okay? In place. Be careful, Mr. Wick. Brought to us by Bullish Bears. Okay. Okay. So will this pattern, how high will it go? We're right here. We're trading at like $14.14, right? Okay. Are we just going to go here? Okay, to this level? All right? You get 18%. Or are we talking we're going to go from where we're at now up to this level? And I think that's what you're looking at. I think that's what you're eyeing. This is like a 70% gain, Mr. Wick. I can see what you're saying. That looks great. It looks great. But you're going to need some guns. So let me point out that the stock has to make it through this resistance over here, $15.31. Resistance, we have some problems here, okay, around in the $17, $18 range. Okay, so we have to make it through there. Or you could be taking profit around here. Okay, if you just, if you're holding long term, if you want to take some profit here, let it bounce down, and then keep holding for the bigger move up here, 70%. Or take profit along the way. I don't know if it will go all the way up there. I don't know. You have to make sure you come out. Make sure we're able to clear all of this, come out, bounce down, get some support here, and then keep going up. Okay? To make it to here. So I just wanted to say that. I see you and go. I don't know if it will. This is the 4-hour time frame. If it dips, okay, look here, we had a lot of support, okay, here in the past, Okay, and then it was resistance, resistance. Okay, we finally got above, and then the support again. So if we dip down, if there's some little sell off and everything like that, like last, a couple days ago, this is a nice support level to pick some more up. You can set some, limit orders to pick some up if this is what you want to do. All right, so around $12.87, $13, pick some up, buy it, hold, go up like that. That's an idea. That's a play. This is also Rivian. Okay, just bringing you some more numbers. So like I said, you're going to have lots of guns. We'll know the stock is back when it's really, really back. So I wouldn't go all in or anything like that. Just give it some time to keep proving itself. Give it some time. Okay? Another screen. But I can see what you're saying. I can see what you're saying, Mr. Wick. I can see what you're saying. So, if you like this content, click like and subscribe. If you want to see other videos and everything, put it in the comments, and then I'll look at the charts and see what I could decipher out of the. Sometimes the charts are easy, sometimes they're not. So, click like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye for now, Mr. Wick. Be careful out there.